Carter's Photographics, you can print your photos from home or from your phone, in fact any device. It's so easy. Just visit our website cartersphotographics.co.nz and click on the Order Prints button up the top. You can print canvases, posters and collages, all sorts of things from here, but for standard prints, scroll down to Photo Prints and choose Order Now. You can choose your source here, either your device, Facebook, Dropbox, Drive or Instagram. Just here, choose all the photos that you'd like to print. If they're in different folders, all you have to do is click on Add More up the top right here. When you're done, click on the green Upload button. Once you're into this next screen, if you're wanting to grab photos from another source, just choose Add Photos up here on the left and then repeat the previous step. Let's try the Quick Order feature. Here you choose your size. This is a good choice if your prints are all going to be the same size in this order. Now you'll notice over on the right, there's an option here where you choose how you want your photos to look. Sometimes the aspect ratio of a photo may not suit the print size you've selected. A classic example is maybe if we're trying to print a square photo as a 6x4 inch print. It has to either crop to suit a 6x4 aspect ratio, or it has to be printed with white edges to keep your photo square, which in this case would give you a 4x4 inch print. If you decide to crop the image so that it fills the entire frame, just choose center crop. Well, otherwise, shrink to fit will print your entire image with the white edges on. Just note over here on the right, this is only an example. I have actually chosen 6x4 prints, so I know that that's the print size I will get, and it's not going to be this square example over on the right. It's simply just to remind us about the aspect ratio to check. Be sure to choose your quantity and then click Done. It generates your order for all the prints that you had selected when you originally chose your photos. So now you can scroll through and review what you've chosen. You can edit cropping and sizing on individual prints here as well. Once you've done that, you can choose either matte or gloss prints, add a border if you want them, and any comments, and then add to your cart. Here you can review your order and go to the checkout. You can sign in or sign up. It saves time next time that you want to make another print order, or you can continue as guest. And then you choose to have your order shipped to you or come and collect it. Now you can continue to payment. So just like that, nice and easy. It's the same process from any device. If you have any questions, flick us a message or give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you.